this. How do you smugglers? Yeah.
Local friend told me to be careful about my passport.
Oh, squirrels.
Is that
Use it like this. Snuff it, you can put it on the back of your hand over here and then you do like that. I look like Mongol.
Today we're going to a black market in Ulaanbaatar. It's called Narantul Market. A friend of mine is going to take us there. Actually, a friend of a friend.
Okay. Excuse me. Thanks for having us. Hey.
Yeah, I heard
I say to all
the
my
crazy
friends.
story about it.
Yeah. I say to all my friends, how do you smugglers? Yeah. So professional.
Oh my
and
God.
they updating their qualification every moment. So be careful.
Oh
It's
my
not their
God.
fault. They are working hard.
I'll be very careful.
This is the popular entrance to the Narantul Market.
My local friend told me to be careful about my passport.
Okay, we made it.
So they only open at 10? This is the opening time?
Yeah.
They're setting up still then. This place is well known for a lot of Mongolian items. So leathers, boots, snuff bottle. We're going to go there. It's like a tobacco bottle that people exchange for saying hi to people. Normally it's like a men culture, but I'll let you know what it is. It's a very interesting snuffer, tobacco powder.
As
Everything.
Mongols say, everything except
What you mean?
human eyes or
Human eyes?
or green sheep's head.
Green sheep's head? Oh, basically something that doesn't exist, huh?
Get tired, you can get a new living room.
Wow, yes. Just get that living room over there. Good that I will leave before it snows. I don't have enough clothes to protect me from the snow.
Yeah, but you can get everything you need here.
Oh wow,
You
yeah.
want to stay.
Just get it for one day.
Lights, carpets. Lights again? Gloves.
This is huge market.
Interesting. I don't know if they have like sections. I don't think they do. I don't know.
Saddles.
No?
No?
Wow.
Like this.
That's for horses. The thing about the cold weather here is that you just don't realize, and suddenly your nose is like you're snorting, mucus is running, it's getting runny because of the so cold weather here. Oh, beautiful saddles.
Such an artist. And his son doing the woodwork is still
Swords. And bow. That is a very beautiful bow. I like it. I like archery. I cannot do it. Oh, quills. Quills. Interesting. That is Chingish Khan. So is this like the antique section? Beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. My friend has an obsession for locks here. He is collecting a lot of different locks from the older times. So it's like 100, 200 years old of locks. And it's very cute. They all have like engraving, small ones, different mechanical engineering included there in the lock. So it's not your modern lock, it's very different. So I know locks are very specific to you, Paul, but what do tourists usually get here?
Oh, well, clothes. They have a big Mongol costume section, bells, shirts, boots, yak socks.
Oh, they have cashmere as well here?
Camel and yak sweaters.
Ah, I see. Beautiful carpets. Oh, hats. You're looking at that kind of hat? Wow. Let's do this.
Fits you.
They don't have anything in the frame.
Is it warm?
Oh yeah. Very warm. 200. Okay, very good. Little simpler.
They also have this kind.
It can be
Interesting. Oh. This is like a cap. Oh, a cap.
Oh, you do? Oh, that's really nice to know. That.
Interesting. You put it like a bad boy, you know, the cap behind. So the cap, you put it backwards. And then you do it like this. I look like a pirate.
Ah, good.
Wow.
Exactly like Mongol. You look like Mongol.
I look like Mongol. Wow. The fur is nice, huh?
Also,
This is cute. I like this one because of the tail over here. Ah, so you can put it down.
It's how in winter your
Oh, I
will be
see.
disappear without that.
Unfortunately, this will not be of use for me in Indonesia. It's like very cute, very demure, very classy. I like the tail here. It's very warm inside. It's like super warm inside. This is fox. Let's try this one.
yeah. I want to get a total of 4.
It is very warm and people need it, especially the one that is like protecting the ear because how cold it is. Your ear is gonna fall off if it's winter and you're not using one of these.
Actually, they used it like this.
So these also.
Look at this.
These are commercial.
Oh my god. It's warm only on this side. This one, not really. It looks like a boat. Looks like a boat. And this one is for girls. They can do like this. You see? It's like an earmuff. Cutie.
Also otter.
Look at the embroideries here.
This is a lot.
And it's adjustable. You can just pull this and then it will get smaller.
This is for
Pretty
Rosa.
cute. She is very lively.
Yes, she wants to sell her products.
Yes. I like her.
But she's good. She's good. Really.
Look at the customer service, even putting the product inside of his bag. Berta!
Nami ko Turk Mongol. Ямар Mongol гэдэг.
So here's the snuff bottles. Wow.
Beautiful one.
That's my friends. Look at that. It's from stones.
German?
Chetak snuff.
Indian. So if she will share my snuff and smell it, she'll recognize what snuff it is. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. Beautiful ladies over here. Snuff is very cultural. How much is the bottle of the snuff? 10,000 up until 1.5 million. Wow. Look at that. That's the cap. Look at that one. The engravement. Dragons. Beautiful. Oh, they have the really small one too. What stone is this?
Man. Oh, Chunchik. In German.
Chunchuk?
60,000.
Mongol
I don't know how it's in English.
Mongol
Mongolian stone.
But it's got a nice orange top.
80,000, but she can offer you 60.
Berta! I like the bottle, but the cap, my friend said it's from plastic. If you want it to be like stone and stone, so they have like components, down part, the bottom part, and then the ring in the middle, and then the top, the cap. So if they're all made out of stones, it's gonna be a bit more costly. Not a bit, I think more costly by far. But yeah, the issue is I don't sniff that a lot, but if I go here, I want to exchange that. It's just so cultural, and it's a way to bond with herders, with people, with the locals. This is a one for shamanism. I think that's the drum then. That too. You bang that using this. Look at the detail. Snakes, dragons. I'm changing my mind. I'm getting the snuff bottle.
Good souvenir.
Yes.
Not just something.
Yeah, I like the bottle very much. Even though the cap, I think it's a bit difficult to open. We're back. Yes, this one. Ah, that's also cute. I like that one more. It's more earthy for me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Look at that too. So that's the snuff that you snort. I will teach you how to snuff it later.
Very good smell.
Uh-huh. Wow. Thank you. Ta-da. Yay, now I can do like... You can... Do you want to do the honor?
So you
When you give it to somebody, you should
Yes, open up a little, that's true, I forgot.
she'll make it little
Ah, thank you. Yeah, it's a bit hard to...
easier, huh?
Yeah. I got my souvenir.
very special things.
Yes. This two lady is very cute. I like it. Thank you. Baeta. Ah, thank you. Ja, ja, Berta.
Marcela,
You can buy, look,
I'm getting a little pouch to put it in.
Yes, I saw that people are using pouch. Is it like necessary?
It's usually the case that the snuff bottle has a little house to live in.
Oh, I see. But I think for herders, I don't see them have it. They just pick it up from their pocket.
No, he had a...
Ah, I see. So it's like this. Whenever you give it to somebody, as I mentioned, so you put it like this, and then you give it to them like this. And it should be open a little bit on this part. And then you can smell it, you can snuff it, you can put it on the back of your hand over here, and then you do like that. But also, they will give it back to you like this, so not fully closed as well. What a cute culture. If you went to Mongolia, please learn about this snuff bottle. Look at this, it's just so pretty. I'm very happy. Okay, we're going back. It's a big market and we didn't have enough time to explore everything, but it's okay. I'm happy that I got this. I'll return. Paul, phone? You still have your phone? Okay, tea. 자.